Learn how to do clean and seamless color changes when adding letters to your next beanie. I actually learned this technique while exploring different color change options. It worked pretty well, so I figured I'd share it with you guys too. We're going to start by finishing our stitch before the color change, removing the hook, and reinserting it into the top of this double crochet. So as you can see, you may have to wiggle your hook through, but once you get it through, you're going to go ahead and cut the working yarn. So you're left with a loop and a free tail like this. Next, we're going to bring in our new color, and we're going to use our new color to finish that double crochet. So we're going to pull through the 2 loops, push our tails to the back. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to finish that color change. And as you can see, I'm just going to keep working the double crochets until I get to my next color change here. And I'm going to do this a couple times for this video, just so you can get a good look at how to do your color changes. All right, we finally made it to our last stitch before the next color change. So we are going to finish our double crochet. Then we will again remove our hook and reinsert our hook into those 2 top loops. We're then gonna grab our scissors and clip the working yarn. And then we are going to bring in our new color to finish that double crochet. So we're going to tuck the tails back, and we're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to finish that double crochet. And then you're going to continue until the next color change. So like I said, throughout this video, I'm going to do it quite a few times, so you'll be able to watch me. Let me know if you have absolutely any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that it helps you add letters to your next beanie. A common beginner mistake when changing colors is you'll want to finish the entire stitch and then start the new color instead of going back into the previous color like we're doing here for a seamless color change. So if you haven't been changing colors this way, don't feel too bad. We're moving forward in the right direction though. And this is how your letters should look in the very end. They should be crisp and clean. It's definitely a challenge though, so take your time. Watch this video as many times as you need to. And again, comment for any questions that you have. Thank you guys again so much for watching and for all your support.